So here we are in the armpit. Axillary. Here we are going into the scapula. Subscapular. It's harder to label, super easy to identify, it goes in the scapula. Here we are in the brachium. Brachial. And let's go down into the forearm. We're going to do physiology today too. Don't tell anyone I was teaching. What the? Dude, I'm totally losing the fight here. Is there something still attached and I can't figure it out? Yep. Okay, so we have this artery on the radial side. Radial. We have an artery on the ulnar side. Then we have an artery in the middle.
Medial.
How about that?
What is it? Medial?
Cubital is the other.
What's the one in the middle called?
Median. Do you have that in your list?
No.
Oh, forget it. We have a nerve here though. Who wants more physiology? See this one nerve right here? This is your median nerve. Ulnar nerve. Radial nerve. This part right here is called your carpal tunnel. Which nerve goes through the carpal tunnel?
Median.
Median. Median goes pretty much just to your middle finger. So, how many of you know people that had carpal tunnel surgery and still have the symptoms after the surgery? Almost all of you? You might be too young, actually. People will come into the doctor and say, these two fingers are numb, and they will do a carpal tunnel release. Does that nerve go through the carpal tunnel? No. They'll come through with trigger finger, thumb problems. They'll get a carpal tunnel release. Does this nerve go through the carpal tunnel? No. What does that tell you? Surgeons are stupid. They do not know basic anatomy. How many of you are going into deeper healthcare? You want to save people from having unnecessary carpal tunnel surgery? There is a test that is free, that is diagnostically sound. Pardon? Flip you off. If they go like that and it hurts, it's not carpal tunnel. If they go like that and it hurts, it's not carpal tunnel. If they flip you off and it hurts, it's carpal tunnel. That's the single best test. And it can't be that kind of cute one. It has to be the really vulgar. So they're tractioning the nerve, because this one they're not tractioning anything. But if they leave that finger alone and they get the symptoms back, it's carpal tunnel. They want to teach you phalans or modified phalans, you know. Flip them off. Y'all got that down? Don't put it on the internet, but save that. That's good information. Is that everything? Okay, let's take a look.